This whole house was raised, but fortunately, we have not yet had a report of death from this house. But the whole of it, you can see how the water is still flowing at this point. This is the water still flowing into the location of the house itself. So this one, there's no way they can ever utilize this place for housing again.